everybody. Greetings to my friends at Discover Sewing. I'll tell you, I'm here with Mark Faber, and he's doing a little flip video to show you first eye view of the beautiful new Hausmann Viking Designer Diamond deLuxe. And this is the new top of the line that I had the privilege of introducing. And the huge news is that it has the deLuxe stitch system. The deLuxe stitch system is actually two ways to handle the top thread. You know, tension, that's been something we always think about, and of course stitch quality, we want good stitch quality. Well, now you cannot worry about it one bit, because your Designer Diamond deLuxe is going to know what is the right tension and the right way to handle the tension, and so it will select for you. And particularly in embroidery, this is absolutely fabulous, because your underside looks as good as your top side, and you can have reversible embroideries even in some of the most fun threads like the hollow shimmers and the slivers and the metallic threads. So using all different kinds of thread. Fabulous new feature. And what's fabulous about this new deLuxe stitch system is that a roller system that is computer controlled. They call it the hidden treasure because you can't see it behind this area on your new Designer Diamond deLuxe, and that computer controlled rollers actually give the tension on the top thread. But more importantly, those computer-controlled rollers actually are sensing the thickness through the computer of the fabric underneath. So it's measuring the thread. The computer is measuring the thread that goes into the stitch. So it's exactly the right amount of thread to go into the stitch. Isn't that fabulous? And of course, the other thing is that your Designer Diamond deLuxe knows whether to choose thread tension or thread portioning, as it's called, using those computer-controlled rollers. And for example, a new icon on screen. Here's our thread portioning, which is selected for most sewing and for most embroidery now. But if you touch the new free motion icon and you say, yes, I would like to do some free motion floating, okay, we close the window, you're going to see that now we have a standard tension. The rollers have been really disengaged, and we're using our regular thread tension. And the reason for that is that when we do free motion, we move the fabric. So there's no way for the computer to know about the stitch, how long it's going to be, because we're making the length, and so we go back to the standard thread tension. It's that easy to change and just turn on and turn off. Part of that step-saving operating system where we simply touch right on screen. And of course, people have asked for having their adjustments right at their fingertips, and there they are. Don't forget the Sewing Advisor. Anytime you want to do any kind of sewing technique, select the weight of the fabric, select the technique, and there you have it. And then automatically the right stitch is chosen, the right length, the right width, and of course the sensor system that senses the thickness of the fabrics as you sew. We've been sewing lots of embroideries here at Hausmann Viking Convention, and these are just a couple that are some of the quilting embroideries that are so beautiful that you can do, and lots of new designs too. So you've got to come in to Discover Sewing. Get in there quickly and see all the new things that they've learned about at Hausmann Viking Convention. Happy sewing!